Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily fold down the rear seats in your Volvo S60. First, make sure your car is completely stationary and that at least one of the rear doors is open. It is also important to clear any objects or passengers from the back seats. You might need to slide the front seats forward a bit to give the rear seat backs enough room to fully recline. Next, let's find the release mechanisms. Start by manually lowering the center head restraint. Depending on your S60 model, you will typically find release buttons on the top section of the left side rear seat or on the parcel shelf in the rear window. Press and hold one of these buttons. You will hear the seat backrest lock release, though the backrest itself will remain in place for now. Once the lock is released, gently push the seat backrest forward until it lies in a horizontal position. The rear seat is usually split into two sections, allowing you to fold them individually for greater flexibility. This action significantly expands your cargo space, increasing it from the standard 11.6 cubic feet in the trunk to a much larger area, providing approximately 71 inches of load length. To return the seats to their upright position, simply lift each backrest firmly until you hear it click securely into place. After the backrests are locked, manually raise all the head restraints. Always double-check that the seat belts are not trapped and that both seat backs are fully latched before you begin driving. This ensures safety and proper functionality for your Volvo S60.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.